I'm looking for luggage for travel. I noticed these Samsonite Hyperspin 4. This is the new technology on Hyperspin technology. This is a medium spinner. See, removable WetPak, dual spinner wheels, last up trolley handle. It's got a very easy, nice, good handle right here. Various colors to choose from. This is expandable too. You have different zipper components. That one is locked up. You have a smaller one right here, and an even smaller one. It's expandable, very nice fabric. See right there, nice and roomy. On the interior, very nice. It's got a side handle. The wheels work real good. That's very important. So you're looking for a lightweight spinner. The Samsonite brand. I think give this a look.